a Dole Whip. Got my ice cream.
The pineapple. Hey, it's Dad Shus, the Traveling Shus, and we're in Columbus, Ohio at the Downtown Marriott, staying in the tower, and we're in room 2285. All right, so let's enter the room in room 2285. We'll come in and walk in real quick. Mom, she's gonna shut the door behind me. Let's get started with the tour. Nice little picture here on the wall. This is like the coffee area, so you got coffee and water. And look, they give you like a water refill jug. And she mentioned it at the front counter that there is a refill stations throughout the hotel. So grab your refill bottle and go do that. Looks like there's an ice bucket right there. You got a microwave and an empty spot for some stuff. You got the refrigerator for cool stuff, because when you're cool, you're cool. All right. And it looks to me like you got a closet here. Check it out. Closet with some extra stuff. Yeah, all the stuff you need when you're at the hotel. Again, we're staying in the tower in room 2285. So here's the main room. Step here to the right. We got a king size bed. Pretty king size to me. Looks pretty good. A chair to sit in with lots of lightage here. A clock with a side table and some drawers. Let's see if these drawers open up. Yep. Soft closed drawers. Got a light plug-in for your phone. Both, well, it looks like it's USB and a plug and a charger. That's a clock charger. Set your phone down on it. Let it charge. On this other side, same kind of setup without the clock radio kind of thing. And the same thing with the drawers, different drawer on the bottom. Soft close. Got your chair to sit in. And we'll take a look at the view in a minute. There's me. Hey. I got a nice little desk to sit at. Big TV. Another chest of drawers right here to put your stuff in. And you can put your luggage right here, or your stuff right here. And then come around here to the bathroom, and then the last thing we'll do is look out the window. So this is the bathroom, right? On the left here we have the nice shower. Got the soaps on the wall, and there's the control unit, and then the shower head is right above there. You probably can't see it real well because it's by the mirror reflection, but anyway, got a nice shower head. To me it looks like a Grow shower head, G-R-O-H, which is excellent. Back up a minute here and show you, there's the get ready area, vanity with lots of stuff. And we got our friend's stool, and then the other things that you need when you're in the bathroom. Last piece, and the best piece, is over here at we're on the 22nd floor. And here's your view. From here, basically you got a view of the stadium, the baseball stadium over there, and Nationwide Arena. There's some food, we got a Nationwide Arena food area over there, right? And you're looking straight down at High Street. So that's High Street down there, right? Looking both ways. Heading that way, over towards Columbus. There's the Merchant Building. And come this way. Can't really see around the building too much, but you can't really do too much, but there's more stuff to see over this way. So yeah, you got a nice view of Ohio. You can see how wooded it is. Lots of trees. Definitely in the Midwest. We're not too far in the Midwest yet. Right, so yeah, it's an excellent room. So overall, I think the room is pretty good. I think Mom, what number would you give it? Thumbs up. She gives it a thumbs up, which probably is about an 8 or a 9. So that's why we did it. So I would too give it a thumbs up, 8 or 9, and
there's a train right outside the window, only 2 stories down.